our Business Pe Charcha session with Asutosh Mahanti, who is a practicing lawyer and has his own law firm which specializes in corporate matters. So today we are talking about the MSME Act, the new revisions and definitions of MSMEs that have been changed. It's very important for you to listen to this video and get your understanding of the Act clear.
First of all, I would like to tell you that, when this act in 2006 came into existence, the legislation, the government decided to protect MSMEs. Because in India, since 2006 2009, business took a backseat. And, where a lot of small enterprises, they were shut down. So only to protect these entities, this MSME Act came into existence. The MSME Act, the Section 7, which all of you are aware of, that whether you are a micro enterprise, you are a small enterprise or a medium enterprise. It depends on the classification is based on the investment that you do on the equipment or the plant and machinery. There is a cap. It's called a pecuniary limit. There is a lower and a higher limit fixed. Suppose your investment in plant and machinery does not exceed 25 lakhs, then you are a micro enterprise. In the same way, there is a small enterprise from 25 lakhs to 5 crores. Then there is 5 crores to 10 crores for a medium enterprise. But as all of you know, the government now in 2019 has come up with an amendment where they have changed these values. But I must also tell you that this amendment has not come into force. As we speak, this amendment will come into force on the 1st of July 2020. I think you need to change your classification. Your CAs will get in touch with your registration and director of industries, and you need to get your new classification done and known to you, that whether you are a micro enterprise or a small enterprise or a medium enterprise now, the change values. What the new amendment says is a micro enterprise is someone whose investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 1 crore and turnover does not exceed 5 crores. So this turnover term has been completely new to this act when it comes to classification of your enterprise. Now a small enterprise is whose investment in plant and machinery and equipment does not exceed 10 crores and turnover does not exceed 50 crores. Similarly, a medium enterprise on the higher side is whose plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 50 crores and turnover does not exceed 250 crores. So you can see there is a paradigm shift. There is a huge shift from what was the law earlier and what is the law now. I have supplied a copy of the notification. This notification has been passed by the government for a while, but will come to force on the 1st of July 2020. So as of now, you are now a part of the older regime, the older class. From 1st of July, you will turn into a new entity. So that is upon you to assess yourself whether you are a micro, small or a medium enterprise. This act will classify you in such a way. Now, moving on from the classification as to how a MSME is protected more.
PLL session. Glad to be here.
BLL. So glad to be part of
BLL.